I spent 136 quid on 48 quid axles. Let me explain this nightmare. Welcome to my brutally honest review of the front and rear plastic Currie F9 portal axle complete for Axial Capra UTB10 1.9. Yes, I did literally copy paste that from AliExpress because apparently someone over there gets paid per keyword. Now, I arrived at this point after the last set of cheaper axles I tried, and they were terrible. Surely these couldn't be worse, right? At 398 grams per pair, they're nice and light, except no forward weight and no included servo mount. Also, the hole that is supposed to be where the servo mount mounts didn't exist, so I had to drill that. Fortunately, I had one of these servo mounts in my parts graveyard, but wait, there's more drilling. One of the critical suspension holes just didn't exist. Thanks, quality control. And that's just the beginning. Wait until you hear about what actually happened when I tried to use them. I can tell you now, this axle isn't going to be one of the ones I recommend. It's been absolutely crap. Yeah, but if you're interested, I'll let you know. Yeah, look, it is the front axle, isn't it? You shit. The portals and diffs were drier than a nun's. Not only do you need to grease them, you need to shim them, sacrifice a small animal to the gods, and pray that they don't eat gears like Cookie Monster at a bakery. I did add some machined 24% overdrive portal gears. Those were actually quite decent, so that's nice, right? But let's talk money. Base axles, 48 quid. Portal gears and fixes, 13 quid. Running total, 61 quid. But surely that's it. Oh my dear sweet Aunt Fanny. The internals are made of what I can only describe as angry butter. I tried to file down a rough edge on the axle shaft and it almost disintegrated when I hit it with a file. So now we need upgraded drive shafts, 40 quid for the middle option, portal stub shafts, 15 quid for an average option, new total, £116. So yeah, 48 quid axles sound great. But when they end up costing you £136, it's like buying a Fiat and accidentally building a Ferrari, except the Ferrari still brakes. If you're still thinking about buying these, check the description for upgrade links and portal weight options. Go as heavy as you can afford for the portal weights. Your rig will thank you for it later. And hey, if you've survived cheap axles from China, drop your horror story in the comments. Misery loves company. Please don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button, mainly so you can watch me make more questionable purchasing decisions so you don't have to. And remember, no matter the question, love is always the answer. Bye for now.